Hey everyone, let's talk about how to use Meetup photo feature. So let me tell you guys, Meetup's photo features allow you to build community and show off the vibe of your event. You can use the photo feature. So to use this photo feature for a Meetup app, just head to the Meetup app and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap the groups or events tab at the top of your screen. Now select your group, then tap on the specific event. Now the next what you can do is scroll down to the photo section of the event, then tap the add photos button or the plus icon. Now grant the Meetup app permission to access your camera roll if prompted, then tap the photos you want to upload and then tap upload or done in the top right corner. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.